you. You're going to come on, Chris.
Hey!
Hooray!
Hey! What's happening, Lynn?
Yes.
Oh, I forgot my cowboy hat.
You're,
How you doing?
I'm doing just great. I was trying to mess with the controls, but I figured it out. Yay! All right.
See, I was watching the first one you tried to go, wait, she's talking to me. This can't be the right one.
Can I delete it? I hope I can delete it.
Yeah, delete
Okay.
it. Just hit those 3 little buttons at the top and make sure you delete the right one.
I will.
So, listen, I hear tonight you got a really good show at 8 o'clock. Tell me all about that. What's it about?
It's called Friday Night Live, and we're featuring, this is Ron, Halbert, and I. We are co-hosting. Our webinar is every Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And tonight is the night we're having a very special guest. His name is Orphe Adam, a French guy. He speaks French. Well, it's French and English. Orphe.
Well, first, who are you? Who am I talking to right now? I didn't hear your name. What's your name?
I'm Lynn Nakamoto. I'm the co-host. Ron Halbert will be joining me tonight. So we're looking forward to it. We hope a lot of people will come.
So what's this meeting about anyway?
So, well, we're going to feature Orphe. He's going to give a presentation about Onpassive. He does a really lovely slide presentation. It's going to be about half an hour long, followed by questions and answers.
So how do I get on this webinar, Lynn? How do I get there?
There's going to be a link. There is a link in the back office. If you can access it, hopefully, through the Leadership Council as well as in the webinar tab, correct? Chris posted it for us. Thank you very much, Chris.
No picture because I couldn't get the picture.
It's okay. It's okay.
You have it posted on your Facebook too, Lynn? I know I'm posting it on
Yes, it's on Onpassive Nation. I put it in Onpassive Nation, UK and Ireland. I put it on Julie and Milo's Onpassive with Heart, I think it's called. So it's on various websites. I put it on like 12 different Facebook groups. Not websites, but groups.
You're crazier than me when it comes to posting. You, Jem, and me, I think we take up all the groups with our posting.
Yes, for sure. Let's say hi to the people here. We've got Juanita. Hi, Juanita. And hi, Theo Harris. Listra is here. Awesome. And hopefully Bill Musk will be here in a second.
Yeah, tagged him.
Yes. So I can tag people as well, huh? With the plus.
Yeah, you can.
No.
But while you're tagging people, hey, Lynn, you live where? Where do you live?
I live in beautiful St. Petersburg, Florida. Okay,
so let's call all the Floridians out. Anyone that knows Lynn Nakamoto, anyone that lives in Florida or Hawaii, where Lynn is originally from.
Shaka Brada.
Okay. I'm going to invite you to come to this beautiful meeting that Lynn and Ron have, and it'll explain everything about Onpassive. Lynn, give us a minute or two about talking about Onpassive. What is it, Onpassive?
Onpassive is the bomb. There is nothing like Onpassive. Onpassive is it. And Onpassive is special. It's special in so many ways. I probably don't have an hour to tell you how special it is, but I can tell you this, that Onpassive guarantees our success. Even if you come in passively to Onpassive, you will be successful. It is impossible to fail because of our special business model, where we do everything for you. The company gets the customers, does the selling, does the follow-up, and we sit here and just enjoy the commissions and the earnings.
How do you get commissions? How does that work?
Well, whenever customers who are being placed into your customer bases make purchases of Onpassive, Onpassive is going to pay you a commission. So this commission comes in and day out, never stopping. This is exciting.
So what are these digital products? Are they what are they? What is it?
They are digital products used currently. These types of products are being used by over 4.6 billion people today. People who are on the internet. This is our customer market. It is huge. And eventually, most of those people will be using our products.
And why is that? Why will they be using our products?
Because our products are superior They're user-friendly and automated. They're integrated. You can access them from a single sign-on, and they're right under you, right in front of you, under one roof or under one umbrella. And the best thing about our products is that we're going to be the lowest prices out there. Nobody's going to beat our price points. So we're offering the world the highest value.
What's the most special thing about Onpassive as far as their tools? What's our kicker? What everyone needs to understand?
Good question. Our signature product, in my opinion, is Blessed, and that is our crowdfunding platform. This is a spectacular platform that the world has never seen. What's special about our platform is this: we do not charge a fee. The competitors out there, such as GoFundMe, Kickstarter, Indiegogo, they charge a hefty fee, usually 17 to 30%. What are we doing? We're charging zero fees. This is a game changer. Anybody coming onto Blessed will be able to donate money to their favorite cause and know that every penny goes to that cause.
So do you have to own a business to be on Onpassive? How does this work?
If you don't have an existing business, you come to Onpassive because Onpassive will be your business. And guess what? Onpassive will promote that business for you. You will have your own website and you are branding yourself. You are not promoting the company. This is really spectacular, right? And because of that, you're going to do well. The company is promoting your Onpassive business. Now, if you come to Onpassive and you have existing businesses, that is great as well, because we have all the products that your business needs to succeed. So either way, if you have a business or not, come to us. This is what you need. You need Onpassive.
So what is it, like artificial intelligence, machine thinking? Is it targeted traffic? Tell me something about that.
Certainly. Onpassive is an information technology company, and we use artificial intelligence. And in fact, our artificial intelligence is special because it's unique to us. We have our own special artificial intelligence. And because of AI, we do the work for you. You typically would have to do the work yourself, but because we're using AI, it's all done for you. Hands-free, plug and play. Easy peasy.
Wow. And what's it cost to get in it? What do you got to do? Pick $10,000? What is it? How much is it?
Oh, really, it should be $10,000 because this opportunity is worth at least 10,000 US dollars. But
Yes.
guess what? Because we have a generous CEO, his name is Ash Mufarah, who is a humanitarian, he has decided to share the wealth of this company with each and every one of us. Therefore, he has made the entry purchase very low. This is gonna blow your mind when you find out how much it is to become a founder. 97 US dollars. What do you think of that?
I'm in.
And that
I'm in.
that founder position is going to give you an ongoing passive income. Whether you're asleep, whether you're sick in bed or on holiday, this income will flow into your online wallet day in, day out, 24 hours a day. You cannot beat it.
Can you explain to me? It's a good question. I get asked a lot. I'd like to hear your answer. And we're talking to the Floridians right now, and anyone that wants to listen. Explain targeted traffic, like if someone, now we know about, explain targeted traffic for an Onpassive founder and explain targeted traffic to someone that already has a business or a website. How's that?
Certainly. Targeted daily traffic. This is what we offer everyone. Targeted traffic simply means this. This is potential customers that will be driven or sent directly to your business's website. Now, our targeted traffic is high quality traffic. This means because we are using AI, we send you only people, potential customers that are looking for what you have. So if Onpassive is your only business, we're going to send you potential customers who are looking for what Onpassive offers. Now, if you have existing businesses, you can request that this traffic, potential customers, be sent directly to your existing business websites. So we fill your needs, whatever they are. We will do it for you.
Right. So let me get this straight. You're telling me I don't have to do nothing but get in. You're telling me I don't have to recruit, sell, market. You're telling me Onpassive does all that for us?
Exactly. It's all done for you. You will not see anything like it with any other company. Count your lucky stars that you are here today watching this spectacular live with Chris Johnson and Lynn Nakamoto, because this opportunity here is going to change your life, correct?
So this isn't an MLM company, is it?
It certainly isn't, and that is a very good question. Onpassive is not an MLM. Remember, Onpassive is an information technology company that uses artificial intelligence. Now, if we were an MLM, you would have to meet requirements. There would be qualifications, there would be caps on your income, there would be sales quotas, and you would be required to recruit or build your team. And if you did none of these things, or if you didn't meet these requirements, you're doomed. You would not be making money. You would not be successful. However, with Onpassive, we have no qualifications and no ceilings on your income. Therefore, we're not an MLM, and you do not have to build a team. If you want to, you can, and we do recommend that you share this business because it's such an outstanding business, right? Why wouldn't you want to share it with your friends and family? But it is not required. That's the difference.
All right, I want you to explain to the Floridians out there, you got to be a tech-savvy person. You got to know how to run a computer, and you have to know all that stuff.
You certainly don't. Because all of our products are user-friendly and automated, they're plug and play. You don't have to have any amount of technical knowledge or background. You don't have to have an education even, you know. We have people who are coming into Onpassive who are illiterate, all right? This is not going to stop them because they can have an authorized person represent them and help them to log in and withdraw their money. That's all you got to do. Withdraw the money.
Now, I know Lynn very well, but I'm talking to the Floridian community right now. I know Lynn is a huge part of the deaf community and is also a signer herself. Can you explain how many people that are in Onpassive who are hard of hearing or hearing impaired?
I would estimate that we have tens of thousands of deaf and hard of hearing at the minimum. You know, deafness, blind, if you're disabled in any way, it doesn't matter. Those are no longer barriers to your success. Everyone will be successful in Onpassive.
So anybody, no matter if were hurt in an accident where they can't work, basically all you got to be able to do is get into your wallet, sign up, and it doesn't matter if you're in a wheelchair, you're handicapped, it doesn't matter your disability, anyone could do this.
Exactly. I say that Onpassive is an equalizer. You know, the world has haves and have-nots, but this is no longer going to be the case with Onpassive. Everybody coming into Onpassive has the guarantee of financial success as well as time freedom. This is very special.
Ooh, I like the time freedom. Tell me what Onpassive's going to do for your time and freedom, and then we're going to say hello, goodbye, and get on the show and find out. But tell me about time and freedom, Lynn.
Certainly.
What is that about?
Hi, Luann. Good to see you here. So we're offering financial freedom. That's a given because the company's doing everything for you and the money is pouring into your online wallet. But what's special is that you get time freedom with us. Because you're not having to sell, recruit, talk to customers, etc., you will then have the time to enjoy your wealth. And that is precious, right? Because we know many people in the world are highly successful financially, but they're running ragged, working 60, 80, 100 hours a week. Do they really have the time to enjoy their money? I don't think so. So this is what sets Onpassive apart from every other opportunity out there today.
Well, Lynn, I appreciate you doing this live. And a lot of you don't know, myself and Lynn, we're really good friends. I've been in passive since last October. Lynn's been in. When did you get in? Last year too?
2020.
Right. So I'm calling out all the Floridians, anyone that's friends of Lynn. Come on and check out the show tonight. It's about 2 hours long. You'll see a really good presentation, and you will also be able to answer any question you want because this is a guest webinar. So check out Lynn's Facebook. She's going to post the link. It's real easy to do. You get on there. You don't have to turn your camera on. You don't even have to talk. You can type in the questions, and we'll get you those answers you need. So we invite anyone in Florida or whoever's watching this who's interested in passive to come check us out, and I guarantee you'll be amazed. So, Lynn, thank you very much.
And the link to the webinar is on my profile page. So I know you have it because you're all on looking at my profile page, my live. So it's right there. So come and join us tonight at 8 p.m., which is about 2.5 hours from now. You'll have a great time. You'll have a great time. It's very casual, and you'll learn and just have a good time. So please join us. The people
in Hawaii now, what time is that? It's like 5:30 in the morning for them right now, right?
It's 6 hours earlier. So it would be about 11:23 a.m. in Hawaii.
Okay, so Hawaiian, you can get on here too. So all Lynn's friends that are in Hawaii, and I know she's got family and friends there, check this out. Get back with Lynn. We're about changing lives, and this is what it's going to do. And Lynn has got a heart of gold, and she cares about people. That's really why I love her. And she's out here sharing an opportunity that really is going to truly help your life.
Yes, and thank you, Luann, for being here. Bill, thank you. We say Julie, thank you so much for being here. My husband, Rob Gorman, is here. So we thank you all for joining us, and we hope to see you all here tonight on our webinar, Friday Night Live.
Friday night, 8 o'clock. Lynn, I can't see the names.
Oh, really?
I get one name. Yeah,
oh.
You can only see. That's okay. I'll go back and I'll give everyone a big heart.
Yes, wonderful. Thank you. Thanks for being on live with me.
I appreciate your time. And Floridians, it's coming. Get in this. We'll see you later.
Thank you. Hey, 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 hey. No, hey, 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 hey. I got the intonation wrong. Hey, 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 hey. Thank you, everyone. Hey. Aloha. Bye-bye.
Bye.